Hello, I'm Anthony McLaren. In the past decade, I've been active in acquiring companies from all over the world and turning them around to become successful and profitable again. But that's not what I want to talk to you about today, because today I want to take you into the world of business simulation and serious gaming. I would like to introduce you to the Cool Connection. The Cool Connection is a new learning experience that bridges the physical and financial supply chain. The Cool Connection is a manufacturing company of personal care products. The company has been acquired a few months back in poor condition. Loss-making, high debt levels, and a broken supply chain. This company needs a turnaround. A new management team will be invited to make this happen. The team will need to balance the constraints and manage the interdependencies of the physical and financial supply chain. You are asked to form this new team consisting of sales, supply chain management, purchasing, and finance. The challenge will be to work together and take strategic and tactical decisions in an environment of uncertainty and volatility. The Cool Connection is all about providing the right service level to each customer, but at the same time, the fluctuation in daily ordering and uncertainty of payment behavior needs to be managed properly. Managing production capacity and inventory is essential to maintaining the agreed service levels with customers. By undertaking intelligent stock planning, the supply chain manager can optimize both production and working capital. Purchasing must keep the total raw material costs under control while ensuring reliability of delivery by managing lead times and modes of transportation. Selecting the right supplier either locally or from developing countries will ensure the required quality at the right price. Managing cash flow and credit risk is always a challenge during these uncertain market conditions. Funding must be secured with multiple banks. The bankruptcy risk of customers needs to be mitigated by using the right payment instruments and credit insurance. The Cool Connection provides insight in the dilemmas that entrepreneurs face every day. It is a business simulation that bridges the physical and financial supply chain, a realistic learning experience, and one of the most powerful tools for training your professionals.